What is up, guys? Today I had like this weird test at my school. It was like a military thing. It was really weird, but it was 3 hours, so it was from like 7:30 to 10:30. It sucked. Or 10:15, and we just had like do all these testing on like reading, math. It sucked, bro. That was my first day back to school because I've been sick, and oh my gosh, it was just a headache, but it was fun. I'd actually traded today. It wasn't impulsive. It was at 10:15. I had marked everything out before I went into the test, but you weren't allowed to have your phone out. It was like really strict. It was like a military or something, like a really strict test. Like I forgot the name of it. It doesn't really matter, but I marked everything out on the charts where I thought market was gonna go. Sorry, if my voice cracks. Bear with me. I'm still recovering from my sickness. But so I marked everything out on the charts before I went in, and then I got on the charts right at 10:15, which is still within my 10:15 to 10:30 trading gap where I try to look for a trade. So I'll show you it today. So today it was a kind of short trade. So coming into market, let's go on the 30-minute actually, so I can show you my bias. Oh gosh, I need to zoom. All right. So market opened at 9:30, which is right here. So imagine none of this is here, okay? Market opened at 9:30. I had these lows marked out, these highs marked out. So these are Asian session lows and Asian session highs. We did not sweep any of those in London session. We just consolidated in this range. So right when market opened, I wasn't on the charts here, but I saw this. It came down and swept out these lows, right? Cool. That's gone. We don't even need this anymore, right? Creates new lows. We don't need that. So my only targets would be these highs. Obviously, it doesn't have to sweep out these highs. It could go lower, but like we had this gap that had just been filled here. I don't know if that's just my charts again. It could be there on someone else's charts, like it could be filled in, but on my charts it's not there. So I'm assuming it's a weekly gap. So this was Friday and this was Sunday. A weekly gap here. So it came down, filled that. So there's no way it would want to go lower, you know? It came down and literally took out all of that on this one candle. You can see, like literally, right here, this candle. Look at that. Like lines up with this. Took out all of that. So I was like, oh cool. So literally, my only target was up, higher. So I scaled down. And I was looking to enter a trade late. This would have been a crazy trade if I was on earlier. So if you go on the 5-minute, you see these sweep the liquidity. It swept out Asian session lows and that gap, the weak gap right here. You can see that. Swept out everything. So that's just another big thing. And then I could have entered huge on this trade. So my take profit were these Asian session highs that never got swept too. So sorry, my voice is kind of wheezy. So I literally could have like smashed this trade. Like after I saw this inverse fair value gap here, I could have entered and just, that would have been monster trade. However, I wasn't on the market here. I wasn't on the market until like 10:15 right here. I saw this get formed. Price came down. Let me go to the 1-minute. I know it's a short trade, but I got a good profit from it actually. So I literally didn't even tap into my stop loss. I entered halfway up this wick because I wanted to see bullish momentum, but I waited for a retracement, and I knew that I was going to take out these highs. I waited for a retracement into this fair value gap. We tap in, and I just entered off that because I was focused on this bias getting hit. So originally this was my take profit, just like this. However, I had a first take profit, and the market was moving quick, and I wasn't really supposed to have my phone out. So I literally just closed here. Right here. I took profit here, sadly, but I promise you guys, I would not lie. I was gonna take out these highs. That was my bias, and it did happen. So I closed here, and let's see my profit. It might show it on here. So, orders, positions. Hold up, let me show you my account, because I have it on here, on my phone. It's a demo, so it like takes a minute to sign in. But it's on the actual brokerage, so like alright. Balance. Oh, it doesn't say it anymore. After a while, it kind of shows. I wonder if I can show you my... It doesn't show it anymore. But my account balance is at $52,775. So I think it was like 900 something I made on this trade. Sorry for the voice cracks. God damn. I made like 900 on this trade, so I was happy with that. And again, that was like my first take profit. That would have been like a really good trade. Maybe even like, I don't even know if I can see on here. Yeah, so that's like a lot. I probably would have made like 2,500 on this, which would have literally almost passed me funded. And what's crazy is it was just so obvious. And it was like a quick trade, probably 10, 15 minutes, and I was out. But, so that was the trade for today. I know it's short, but it works, you know. I'm looking to try to top step funded challenge soon. I spent so much money on my car and insurance and gas and registering. It's expensive too, so I'm literally broke right now. But I definitely need... I'll be able to spend $50. That's how much it is to pass account. But thank you guys for watching. If you're watching, I'll do another trade recap. Yesterday, I'm sorry I didn't post one. I was not trading. Like, I looked on the charts for a while. Let me show you if I can explain what the bias was. Yesterday was Thursday. So okay, so let me just, this doesn't matter anymore. Market opened here. Maybe it was Wednesday I didn't trade, because this looks pretty volatile. Oh, wait. I remember this. Okay. I could not figure out what was happening. This was my sort of thing, you know? Wait. That's today. I'm stupid. I thought it was Friday today. Sorry, guys. Market did go down, and I know TJR hit a crazy trade. So let's go way back. Sorry about that. I know TJR hit a banger trade yesterday. Wednesday at 9:30. That's around 9:30. It doesn't really matter. So market opened here. My trading gap was from here to like 10:30. That was my trading gap. Right here. To look for a trade. It was just not like, look at this consolidation. Look at this consolidation. I could put a line at this high. Like, there's nothing to look off of here. I had no idea it was going to drop that low. TGR did. I'm sure it was because it swept out these highs. And there was this new week gap. Oh, that's probably why. New week gap, that's probably what he thought was going to happen. But, like, it just... He took all... I think he got 115K, or he got a crazy amount on this trade. But, I couldn't see any options. Like, I didn't know what was going to happen. It was so... it was just unclear to me. So I didn't trade. And that's what I'm trying to do is if it's unclear, if I had no idea what's happening, I'm not trading. I'm not going to risk it. Even though it's a demo account, I'm trying to get in good habits for when I start using my real money. So that's why I didn't trade. I had no idea what was going to happen. Trying to keep this video short for you guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I posted how I backtest. So if you guys want to look into that, that's helpful. I just also found, I wonder if it's on. Yeah, right here. This is cool. Chart Champs. So you can literally play someone in like Chart Wars, where it's like you have like a certain amount of time to try to make the most money and beat someone, and you get a score, and like there's leaderboards. It's pretty cool. I'll do a video on this if you guys want. Trying to keep this video short. So hope you guys are having a good day. See ya. Peace.